Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's Matt, the Fund Builder Guy. In this video, we're going to show you how I built out this page here, this membership site. We're going to show you how I built it from scratch on our platform called the HBA Funnel Builder tool. Now, what it basically is a funnel builder tool that's very inexpensive. ClickFunnels, it's like Kajabi, but it does all those things those more expensive builders do at a fraction of the price. Whether you want to do funnel pages, you want to do upsell, selling of your own product, downsell, cross sell. You want to do membership sites, appointment booking funnels. You can do all that more. And what we're going to be doing in this video is membership sites, because membership sites is something you can do inside of the Funnel Builder tool. Now, after this video, if you decide to get it, one of the things about it is I provide templates that you can use to build out your membership area inside of the back office. I built several templates available for you guys for free, just for trying it out, that are for membership sites. To show you a couple of them, here is one such a site. You can have your sidebar, your content area. Here is more of a Kajabi style membership area. And it's in gray and black and white because you can add your own colors to it. I'll show you guys another example. This is one here if you got multiple courses. Okay. But what we're going to do is we're going to build out this one from scratch to show you guys the functionality of the builder and how easy it is to build on it. Now, the good thing about this platform is you really don't need to do a lot of training to be able to use it. And now other platforms like Kajabi, Go High Level, ClickFunnels, you really need to get into a deep dive into some training. This builder, I would say, is best for affiliate marketers or anyone who just wants to get lead magnets up quickly without having to learn a whole lot of how to use the builder. It's rather simple. So we're going to show you that right now. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to add in a new block. And this block is going to be for our header. Let's add in another block as well. This block is going to be for our navigation window. And it's going to go ahead and pre-color it. And we're going to add in another block for our content area. And we're going to have two columns. Okay. And it's going to put in some color for our navigation. And then I'm going to put in some color for our content area. And then finally, we're going to have another block for our footer. And we're also going to make that black and just turn it off white. Okay. Or off color so you can see through it. So now that we have our basic structure, let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing we want to do is we're going to have two columns. And what we're going to do is we're just going to take this logo here because I don't have that on my desktop to upload it. And that's going to be in our first block. We're going to size it down a little bit. And the cool thing is it's drag and drop. And I find that this is one of the fastest builders to build on, just because of you can do a lot of things without having to go to the sidebar. And it's as fast as you can see. So this is going to be our member area welcome. Welcome. And I'm going to put in a little code here, so that when someone actually joins up and logs in, it will have their first name here. So I'm just going to copy this code here. All right, now when someone logs into this area, their name will appear here. Let's just tone it down a little bit. Let's change the size of the text. Let's go to H3. We're going to center it and center the content of this block. So I'm going to add a little margin here by doing this. And I'm going to change this to white. Very good. Next is going to be the navigation. We're just going to add in a few random pages. Let's do one more. Now we're going to change the style from a drop down to a vertical or horizontal. And let's tone down the little dividers, transparency. Very good. Let's go ahead and center it. One thing I do is I'm going to go back and rename them real quick, just to make it shorter. Cool. There we go. And I also had a little section here for just a little divider color. We had a kind of like a hot pink or neon purple. Okay. I'm going to change this. We're gonna make it into a thin bar, which is a little added functionality that I installed into the builder. Just make sure I have it on here. We do, and all I got to do is actually I'm gonna put it down here too. So let me just bring it down. Okay, that's just gonna be our top part. Actually, what I'm gonna do is we're just gonna put in some texture just to make it thin. Let me copy that block down here. And I already got the other membership site this kind of style, so you don't really have to rebuild it yourself. You can just grab the other one, but I just want to show the functionality of the builder. Let's change this text to white. We're going to go to another bolder font, and we're going to do H3. We're going to put some line height on here, and we're going to type in be the change you wish to see. A little bit of personal development motivation. Okay. And let's make a little more line height just to give us some depth there. And I'm going to go back here and make this a little bit darker just to match the bottom. Okay, so next we're going to put in some margin in this column. And we're probably going to have some kind of image right here. And let me find some kind of logo. It could be a picture of yourself. It could be just some box art for what the actual course is. That's up to you to decide. Okay, we also got some social media buttons down here. Okay, I'm just going to style them. Gonna leave them black. Add some border radius. Now I'm gonna copy this menu. One of the cool things about this builder is you can just copy things over that you already built. And we're gonna change this back to the other style for vertical. We need black text. And let's add some background color to these buttons here. Okay, let's do white. Let me try to find a better color that matches our theme. Very good. So now I'm going to put these as if they were like, this is like module 1. Okay, then I would have another module. Maybe module 2. And then the inside, of course, those will be all the lessons. Let's just do 4 of them. Added it to the wrong block. Put it up. Okay. Next, let's go over to the content area. This will be the title of the video. The 3 steps to getting started. Let's change this to a different font. Let's go to Poppins, make it bold. Hit center. We're going to add in some space. Okay, let's add in video player. All right, let's just grab an old video. I'm going to add a little bit more margin in here. Add some space in between here. Now, I'm going to grab a button, but what I'm going to do is I have a whole template section here. I think I mentioned it earlier in the video. These are mostly 2-step funnels that you can use for your business. There's 40 funnels in here. We're going to get to 50, but at the bottom, there are some extra things that can help you along with the design process. And we just want to grab a button that's pre-done off of this page here. And go back. This will be the call to action area underneath the button video. Okay. And I also want to grab something I know is on another template for our video player. Let me just find it real quick. Where is it? It is... Can't find it. What I'm looking for is a shadow I have on one of these templates. Just can't remember which one it's on. Ah, right here. So I'm going to select this one. And I just want to copy this from a different template. That's one of the cool functionalities I haven't seen in any other builder where you can just go ahead and grab stuff from a different template and just copy and paste it. Okay. Just give a little more effect to the video. And here we go. Here is our membership site. We can change this down to font size a little bit. Don't really need that big. It's just a message we want to have at the bottom. And actually what I'll probably do is just fade it out because it's just like kind of subliminal. It's too much. Okay. So there is a membership area design from scratch. Of course, I could do more improvement to it, but I just wanted to show you exactly how to build a site like this on our platform. Now, the cool thing is you don't got to do any of that building because there are membership sites already in the back office. And one of the cool things, if you guys join me, you're going to get access to my template club. And in template club, I basically build templates on a regular basis that you can use for your offers. This will show you a couple of them. You just got to select a template, change out the images, change out the colors. Here is another cool one here. This one is you're giving away some kind of guide. You just come in here, put in your box art, put in your picture, change the text, and you got yourself a cool looking lead magnet. Well, that's it for this video. See you in the next one. And if you want to get started with the Funnel Builder tool, go to funnelbuildertool.com. It's only 25 bucks, guys. And the cool thing is it actually pays out 80% commission. So if you get a couple of referrals into the Funnel Builder tool, it's going to pay for itself. That's it. See you in the next video.